Imagine a sun-drenched land. Rolling hills meet a sparkling blue sea. This is Greece, the birthplace of democracy, philosophy, and yogurt. For centuries, Greeks have enjoyed this simple, delicious food. But how is this creamy delight made? Let's uncover the secrets of traditional Greek yogurt making. The process is a journey. It takes us back to ancient times. It connects us to generations past. And it results in a food that is both healthy and delicious. Our journey begins in a bustling marketplace. Goats and sheep graze peacefully in nearby pastures. Their milk, still warm from the morning sun, is the key ingredient. Picture clay jugs overflowing with this fresh, pure liquid. The milk, rich and slightly sweet, holds the promise of the yogurt to come. But milk alone cannot become yogurt. We need a touch of magic. This magic comes in the form of live bacterial cultures. These cultures, passed down through generations, are the heart and soul of Greek yogurt. Our next stop is a humble kitchen, a place where tradition and warmth come together in perfect harmony. A fire crackles in the hearth, casting a warm glow on the stone walls, illuminating the room with a golden hue that speaks of comfort and history. A large pot hangs over the fire, ready to receive the precious milk. This pot, often passed down through generations, holds the promise of a delicious creation. The milk is gently heated, a process that requires patience and care. The heat must be just right, not too hot to scald, but warm enough to prepare it for the next steps. This step is crucial. It eliminates any unwanted bacteria, ensuring that only the beneficial cultures will thrive. The milk must reach a specific temperature, a delicate balance that has been perfected over centuries. As the milk heats, steam rises, carrying with it a sweet, milky aroma that fills the kitchen. This scent is a prelude to the rich, creamy yogurt that will soon be made. The fire crackles, whispering tales of ancient yogurt-making traditions. Each pop and hiss of the wood is a reminder of the countless times this process has been repeated, each time with the same care and attention. We are participating in a ritual as old as time itself. This method of heating milk is not just a step in a recipe, it is a connection to the past, a way to honor the generations who have perfected this craft. The milk simmers. Now, it is time to awaken the yogurt. Carefully, a small amount of existing yogurt is added. This starter yogurt, thick and tangy, contains the live cultures. These cultures are the unseen workers. They will transform the milk into yogurt. The mixture is gently stirred. Every movement is deliberate, respectful of the process. The warm milk welcomes the cultures, providing the perfect environment for their growth. The transformation has begun. Section 5. The patient transformation fermentation. The pot, carefully covered, is now placed in a warm, secluded spot. Imagine a shelf carved into the cool stone wall away from drafts. Here, the magic of fermentation unfolds. For hours, the cultures work tirelessly, consuming the milk sugars and producing lactic acid. This acid is what gives yogurt its characteristic tangy flavor, but it also does something else. It transforms the milk's texture, thickening it into the creamy delight we know as yogurt. Section 6. The art of straining, achieving creamy perfection. Hours pass. The yogurt, now thick and tangy, is ready for the next step, straining. This simple process removes excess whey, resulting in an even creamier texture. Picture a linen cloth suspended over a bowl. The yogurt is poured into the cloth and gravity takes over. Slowly but surely, the whey drips away, leaving behind a thick, velvety mass. This is Greek yogurt in all its glory, a testament to the power of time and tradition. Section 7. A culinary legacy. Serving and enjoying. In this section, we delve into the final and most delightful part of our journey, savoring the fruits of our labor. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. After all the effort and patience, it's time to indulge in the rich, creamy goodness of homemade Greek yogurt. The strained yogurt, now thick enough to hold a spoon upright, is ready to be enjoyed. This thickness is a testament to the careful straining process, which removes excess whey and leaves behind a concentrated, velvety texture. Scoop a generous portion into a bowl. The beauty of Greek yogurt lies in its versatility. It can be a simple, wholesome breakfast, or a luxurious dessert, depending on how you choose to serve it. Drizzle it with golden honey, harvested from local hives. The honey not only adds a touch of sweetness, but also brings a floral aroma. that enhances the overall experience. Sprinkle on some chopped walnuts, their earthy flavor complementing the tangy yogurt. The nuts add a delightful crunch, creating a perfect balance of textures. Each bite is a symphony of textures and flavors. The creamy coolness of the yogurt, the sweetness of the honey, the crunch of the nuts. This combination is not just a treat for the taste buds, but also a feast for the senses. It's a breakfast fit for a king, a snack that nourishes both body and soul. Whether you enjoy it in the morning to start your day with a burst of energy or as a midday snack to keep you going, Greek yogurt is a versatile and nutritious choice. Sharing this delightful dish with family and friends makes it even more special. The joy of serving and enjoying Greek yogurt is amplified when it's a shared experience, bringing people together over a common love for good food. Experiment with different toppings to keep things exciting. Fresh fruits, granola, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon can transform your Greek yogurt into a new culinary adventure each time. Imagine enjoying your Greek yogurt in a picturesque Greek setting, perhaps overlooking the sea. The serene environment adds to the pleasure, making each bite a moment of pure bliss. So take a moment to savor each spoonful, appreciating the rich history and tradition that goes into every bite. Greek yogurt is more than just food. It's a celebration of culture, craftsmanship, and the simple joys of life. Section 8. Yogurt through the ages, a history. The tradition of yogurt making is deeply woven into the fabric of Greek culture. For millennia, yogurt has been a staple food, a symbol of health and longevity. Ancient Greeks believed in its healing properties. They used it not just as food, but also as a remedy for various ailments. This tradition, passed down through generations, continues to thrive in modern Greece. Walk through any Greek village, and you'll find families making yogurt using the same time-honored methods. Section 9. The magic of yogurt, health benefits. It's no wonder that yogurt has earned a reputation as a superfood. Packed with protein, calcium, and probiotics, it offers a wealth of health benefits. Probiotics, those friendly bacteria present in yogurt, contribute to a healthy gut. This, in turn, supports digestion and boosts immunity. Greek yogurt, in particular, boasts a higher protein content than regular yogurt, making it a favorite among athletes and health enthusiasts. Section 10. Yogurt in the modern world. Variations and uses. While the traditional method of making Greek yogurt remains unchanged, its applications in the culinary world have expanded considerably. From savory dips and sauces to sweet desserts and smoothies, Greek yogurt's versatility knows no bounds. Its tangy flavor lends a refreshing twist to both sweet and savory dishes. Its creamy texture adds richness and depth to sauces and dressings. Section 11. A timeless tradition making yogurt at home. Yogurt has been a staple in many cultures for centuries, and Greek yogurt in particular has a rich history that dates back to ancient times. The beauty of Greek yogurt lies not just in its taste and health benefits, but also in the simplicity of its creation. It's a versatile food that can be enjoyed in many ways, whether as a breakfast, a snack, or even a dessert, but also in the simplicity of its creation. You don't need any fancy equipment or hard-to-find ingredients, just milk and a bit of yogurt to use as a starter. You too can experience the joy of making this ancient food in your own kitchen. It's a fun and rewarding process that can be done alone or with family and friends, making it a perfect weekend project. With just 2 ingredients and a little patience, you can create something truly special. The process starts with heating the milk to a specific temperature to kill any unwanted bacteria. You can unlock the secrets of this time-honored tradition. Once the milk is heated, it's cooled down to a temperature that's ideal for the yogurt cultures to thrive. This is where the magic happens. So why not embark on this culinary adventure? Gather your ingredients and make sure you have a clean pot and a thermometer handy. Light the fire of your stove or turn on the heat and bring the milk to a gentle boil. Stir it occasionally to prevent it from scorching and experience the magic of Greek yogurt making firsthand. After the milk has cooled, mix in the yogurt starter and let it sit in a warm place for several hours. The longer it sits, the thicker and tangier it will become. You'll be transported to a sun-drenched land where time moves slowly and the simple pleasures of life are savored. The process of making yogurt is a reminder to slow down and enjoy the moment, and the taste of tradition lingers on your tongue. Each spoonful of homemade Greek yogurt is a testament to the timeless art of cooking, connecting you to generations of yogurt makers who came before.